In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 1000 by 10 using the long division method. 1 is less than 10. That is why we will consider the number 10. We know that 10 times 1 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. As 0 is less than 10, that is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0. So we will remove 1 0. Now 10 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. Again 0 is less than 10. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here again. Now this is the number 0. Now we know that 10 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get nothing. As we have obtained the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, the value of 1000 divided by 10 is equal to 100. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.